Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best mirror dashcam on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 5. Wolfbox G840's Mirror Dashcam. The Wolfbox G840s is a robust and easy to install dashcam with a f1.5 aperture, providing crystal clear footage even in low light conditions. It operates between -10 to 60 degrees Celsius and comes with a 4K mirror dashcam and a 1080p backup camera, along with screws and 3M tape for easy installation. The dashcam comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction. It is powered by a built-in supercapacitor, providing a reliable and stable power source. The user-friendly interface and compatibility with both iOS and Android platforms enhance the user experience. The cam supports 32 GB to 128 GB storage capacity, making it ideal for long journeys. It also features a built-in screen for real-time monitoring, allowing users to capture crucial moments on the road and adjust settings without the need for additional devices. Number 4. Optiac Mirror Dashcam. The Optiac Mirror Dashcam is a cutting-edge car safety technology device that features a triple lens setup, a 170 degrees rear camera, and a GC4653 imaging sensor. It captures high-resolution video with a resolution of 2560 x 1440, providing clear footage for scenic drives and crucial moments. The 11.26-inch IPS display offers a widescreen viewing experience with a 16:9 aspect ratio, and the touchscreen interface simplifies navigation. The device supports up to 128 GB external memory, allowing for easy storage of recordings. The camera records in TS and MP4 formats, and it features advanced imaging technology like G-sensor, digital zoom, anti-surge voltage impact, automatic white balance, and wide dynamic range. It also has enhanced safety features like anti-fog and anti-vibration technology and a waterproof design for durability. The device also offers advanced connectivity options with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionality. The original package includes all necessary accessories for a hassle-free setup and installation process. Number 3. eAce Mirror Dashcam. The eAce Mirror Dashcam is a high-performance camera that offers exceptional clarity in low light conditions. It operates flawlessly between -20 to 70, providing peace of mind during extreme weather situations. eAce offers an extended warranty of 365 days, ensuring your investment is protected. The camera has a 6 meters long rear camera cable, allowing for versatile installation options. The sleek design of the camera integrates seamlessly with your car's interior, and its corded electric power source ensures a stable power supply. With up to 128 GB of data storage, it provides ample space for recording journeys and allowing you to review and save important moments effortlessly. Number 2. HGDO M210. The HGDO M210 is a high-performance dash camera with a video resolution of 3840 x 2160 4K and 2560 x 1440p 2K, providing clear and vibrant footage for security on the road. Equipped with Sony IMX415 and IMX307 camera lenses, it captures images and videos with exceptional clarity, allowing for easy capture of license plates and road signs. The camera supports Class 10 TF cards ranging from 8 GB to 128 GB, providing ample storage for recordings. The HGDO M210 offers versatile installation methods, including strapping it to your mirror, replacing the original mirror with a bracket and recorder, or mounting it to the dashboard using the dashboard console. It provides reliable security on the road, providing irrefutable evidence to protect your interests. Number 1. Azdome PG17 Mirror Dashcam. The Azdome PG17 Mirror Dashcam is a cutting-edge device that enhances your driving experience with its advanced features. It features a powerful GC2053 imaging sensor, capturing high-resolution videos at 2560 x 1440. The 10-inch IPS display offers a clear viewing experience, while the dual-camera setup provides comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. The wide-angle view of 150 degrees minimizes blind spots, allowing for detailed and comprehensive recording of your journeys. The Azdome PG17 also offers seamless connectivity with a user-friendly touchscreen interface and a Wi-Fi function, allowing easy transfer and sharing of recorded videos and images. Its G-sensor technology detects sudden movements or collisions, automatically locking and protecting the recorded footage. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.